Hey everybody, it's Patrick at Pals Ocala Auto Repair. This is a Fiat 500 totally electric car. And this is Becky Hagee, the owner. Chuck, what did we end up doing with Becky's car today?
On this vehicle today, we did an alignment tires and repaired a blown fuse. So Becky, what is the range on your vehicle?
When I initially charge it, it's about 120 miles. You turn the AC on, which we do in Florida all the time, and it drops a little, but I usually don't charge it for about 3 or 4 days simply because I'm not a big driver.
Gotcha.
And I plug it right into my regular outlet at home, and it's great.
That's very cool. So let me ask you a question. Have you had a hard time finding people willing to work on your vehicle?
I had to replace my 12-volt battery in November, and places would not even sell me the battery. They hear all electric, and even though it was a battery they had on their shelves, they wouldn't sell it to me. And I remembered that you guys worked on electric, and then the Fiat when I brought my mom in for her town and country van.
Have you been happy with us so far?
Absolutely.
Well, we're glad to have you. Please keep coming back, and if anything you need on your electric car, we'll be glad to help you with it.
Thank you so much.
If you folks have a Fiat 500 or a Nissan or a Honda totally electric car, bring it to Pals. Becky, thank you very much.
Oh, you're welcome.
Bye-bye.